Developing good listening skills and the ability to follow instructions is essential for effective communication and success in various aspects of life. Here are some strategies to improve these skills. Stay focused. When someone is speaking or giving instructions, give them your full attention. Avoid distractions, put away your phone or any other devices, and maintain eye contact to show that you are engaged. Avoid interrupting. Practice patience and refrain from interrupting when someone is speaking. Let them finish their thoughts before responding or asking questions. Active listening. Engage in active listening by nodding, using verbal cues, such as, "I see," "Go on," "Really?" and providing appropriate feedback. This shows that you are actively processing the information. Ask questions. If you are unsure about any part of the instructions, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. It demonstrates your interest and commitment to understanding the task. Paraphrase instructions. When receiving instructions, rephrase them in your own words and ask the person if your interpretation is correct. This helps to avoid misinterpretations and ensures you are on the same page. Practice empathy. Try to understand the speaker's perspective and feelings while they are communicating with you. This will enable you to respond more thoughtfully and appropriately. Control your emotions. Stay calm and composed while listening, even if the instructions are complex or challenging. Emotional reactions can hinder comprehension. Practice mindfulness. Develop mindfulness techniques to enhance your ability to be present in conversations and follow instructions more effectively. Reflect on feedback. If someone gives you feedback on your listening or following instructions, take it constructively and make an effort to improve based on the feedback. Break down complex instructions. For complex tasks, ask the speaker to break down the instructions into smaller steps, making it easier for you to grasp and follow through. Take notes. When appropriate, take notes to jot down important points and key instructions. Reviewing your notes later can reinforce your memory. Practice regularly. Engage in regular conversations with different people and practice following instructions in various contexts to hone your skills continually. Review and reflect. After each interaction or task, take a moment to review how well you listened and followed the instructions. Identify areas for improvement and set goals for the future. Remember, improving these skills takes time and practice. By being mindful, patient, and actively working on these strategies, you can significantly enhance your listening skills and ability to follow instructions effectively.